Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Today we're going to show you how to put your vehicle up on ramps. You're going to line them up as straight as you can. Just move over a little bit. Do the same for both. Come right up to the tire. All right. I'm going to back up a little bit. And then we'll gently drive up them. Stay nice and straight. And then we'll set the parking brake. So when you're done, release the parking brake. Start the truck up, put in reverse, and then gently roll back down.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.